Hey guys, I'm Anna Howard. I work at Architectural Builders Supply, a distributor of commercial hardware, and I'm going to show you how to pick a wafer lock today. Come on in. Today we're going to be using a raking pick, and this is one that I just prefer. It's a favorite, but anything with a up and down squiggle motion is really going to accomplish the job. And you're going to also want your tension rod. I happen, just because of the lock that we're using, to use a smaller one, easier with my small hands. But truly, this is all you're going to need. The second item we're going to use today is this Entry Armor patio door lock. It's a standard patio door lock, and it's got a wafer tumbler in it that we're going to be picking today. Okay, so now we're going to pick this wafer lock. So the lock is locked currently. I've got the keys here to show you that, it unlocks, it works. We're going to lock it back up so that we can pick it. So when you're looking at it like the internals of a cylinder, you want to come in under and rake them out so that you're almost pushing them up, creating a perfect shear line. So in practice, you'd add your tension rod, apply tension, a moderate amount of tension, nothing extreme. And you literally want to rake. So you enter in, and you come and you rake up, and you just hit it. So I hit this little hiccup here because maybe one of the tumblers inside is just not 100%. So I went and raked again, and we succeeded. All right, guys, good luck. And thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped in picking a wafer lock. And if you have any questions or need to reach out at all, do go to the comment box below or reach out at absupply.net. We're always willing to help. Thanks.